Hello, and welcome to the University of Bridgeport English Department. This is our vision statement. The English Department at the University of Bridgeport is committed to supporting and celebrating our students' voices, perspectives, and narratives. We believe that language, literacy, and dialogue are critical tools for understanding the world, ourselves, and each other, and we strive to promote a culture of inclusivity and respect within the campus community and beyond. As you can see, our educational philosophy prioritizes the dignity of the individual student and the value of community. Our mission is to inspire our students to feel confident that they can use language and ideas effectively to define their lives and to construct their future. We embrace a student-centered practice that aligns with universal design for learning, which the University of Bridgeport has adopted as its pedagogical framework. You can read more about universal design for learning in the English department handbook, but the essential thing to know is that the universal part refers to the belief that every student is capable of learning anything. With our help, every student who comes into our class can become a more effective writer, a more attentive reader, a more critical thinker, a more empathetic colleague, and a more flourishing human being. Best practices for achieving these goals include learning students' names on the first day of class and calling them by their names whenever possible. Structuring class time in a way that balances lectures, small group work, individual work, and class discussions. Communicating with students in a timely and respectful manner, taking their concerns seriously, and doing anything in your power to help them succeed. Limiting the complexity of assignments and offering compassionate flexibility whenever possible. Incorporating a process approach to writing assignments that allows students to respond to feedback and to revise their work. Limiting the amount of reading to texts that can be thoroughly discussed in class or on discussion boards. Using Canvas to ensure that all teaching materials and assignments are accessible. Designing assignments that give students opportunities to creatively interpret the course content and to write in ways that foreground original inquiry and personal self-discovery. There are a lot of qualities that make the University of Bridgeport different and special, but our most prized attribute is the diversity, energy, and aspirations of our students. The English department sees itself as having a special role in celebrating, promoting, and amplifying our students' unique voices, and this purpose is the driving force behind everything we do. We are so excited to welcome you to the UB English Department family. We hope that you will add your own unique talents and perspectives to our collective mission of empowering our amazing students.